let's talk about a really cool branch of physics called optics. One of the things we learn in optics is how we can use lenses like these to manipulate light for various reasons. Take this one for example. Notice here how it says f is equal to 50.0 millimeters. What exactly does that mean? Notice how this one says f is equal to 40.0 millimeters. In this video, we're going to briefly explore lenses and what that value of f means. But for now, check this out. Here's another kind of lens that you might be familiar with. This one is a camera lens like the one I'm using to record this video. You know, I've heard people say size doesn't matter, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this really big lens. Cool, right? Oh, wait, there's that f number again, 200 millimeters. Alright, let's check out what that means. Let's take this experiment into the hallway since I have this beautiful view of the palm trees. This image is important, so please keep it in mind. I dug through the lab and I found this really convenient clamp that's attached to a stand. I'm going to use this to hold my lens for the best results. Alright, so the lights in here are way too bright, so what I'm going to do is temporarily shut them off, and I do have permission to do this. Okay, here's a really fun part. Using this meter stick, I'm going to place the lens 20 centimeters or 200 millimeters apart from this makeshift screen I made using cardboard and paper. Moment of truth now. That's awesome, isn't it? Here you can see the image of the window and the palm trees being focused onto the little screen that I made. And now you see me moving it back and forth to show you how changing that f number, that 200 millimeters, affects the image. Switching over to my cell phone, I can adjust the brightness of the image a little bit better to show you this. So according to this experiment, when we place a screen 200 millimeters away from this lens, that it gives us a focused image. It's almost as if that's, I don't know, a focal length or something. And even weirder, notice that the image is upside down. I had to flip this image to get it the right side up. I might need to do another experiment on that. Wink wink.